this video, I'll show you how to construct a basic bird box from a single board. Welcome to Nature Yard Life. I'll start with a single 1x6x5 cedar fence board and cut it up according to a plan I made ahead of time. Filing the rough edges only takes a moment, so I never skip this step. For this build, I'll mostly be using brad nails and outdoor wood glue. This little angular cut is for a drain hole in the base of the house, just in case any water gets in. The side walls will also get a slanted cut towards the front to accommodate the extended roof piece that will go on top. The entrance hole will be cut using a 1 1/8 inch hole saw. I'd like to attract either wrens or chickadees, and this small size is what they prefer. I'll leave a list of general sizes for other birds in the description below. Beginning with the base, I'll apply some glue and nail it to the back wall. Next will be the right side wall, followed by the front panel. The left wall will be attached using only 2 screws near the top. This will allow it to open outwards when I want to clean the house after each nesting season. At the top of each side wall, I'll leave a tiny gap to allow for airflow throughout the house. This is important, as we do not want our little friends overheating when the weather gets too warm. I've constructed a little latch out of a piece of scrap. This entrance guard I'm making is an option you may wish to add. I'll be fashioning mine out of a piece of old gutter downspout. Alternatively, you can simply add an extra square piece of wood over the entrance and recut the hole. This will effectively double the protection against would-be predators. I'll give this a quick clean using some rubbing alcohol. For the roof, be sure to pre-drill the holes and use a countersink bit to prevent splitting. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out some of my other bird nesting videos using these links. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.